Here's how to create a witchy colorway for Halloween. Using Onyx, Splash, Ring Toss, and Lobby Boy. So I started off painting 3 of my nails with Ring Toss, 1 with Lobby Boy, and the last nail with Splash. And on my thumb and pointer, I'm gonna create this super cool wavy design. So I'm taking Splash and creating this curvy, thick line across my nail, cleaning off my brush and then dipping into Lobby Boy and following that same green line. You can make some lines thicker than others to add more depth to the waves. And then I'm going in with Onyx, the last shade, and filling that in. And then I'm gonna repeat the same process on my pointer finger and seal the whole mani with a gel shine top coat, and you're done.